Hello and welcome to the How to Video series. This video will cover the topic for adding hyperlinks to the evaluation. This video assumes that either Dropbox or OneDrive is in use by the user. However, similar process may be used with other online repositories. The first link in LitAssist allows you to store the hyperlink or URL to the original online document. This is important to find the original file and to allow for proper referencing within LitAssist. Simply paste the URL into the web URL field. The second link in LitAssist allows you to store the hyperlink to a local copy. This allows you to link to a mocked-up version from your local repository. For this example, we will assume you are using OneDrive. Go to your OneDrive directory on your local laptop, tablet, or PC. Right-click on the file you want to link to from LitAssist. Select Share a OneDrive link option. Now, back in LitAssist, paste your link into the local URL field. You can now quickly access your articles, both on the web and from your local OneDrive by selecting the Go to URL icon to the right of each field.